I'm making this video because when I woke up, I just found out that a podcaster that I'm following, Charlie Kirk, who I learned how to really like because of his views, has been assassinated in Utah, USA. This news has been nalaman ko to after a few days of really being so reactive sa mga corruption that's been happening here in the Philippines. And what I can say is that I know Charlie Kirk before he got assassinated, and I know that he's a dad to still small babies, a daughter and a son, and that he loves them so much. There was even this podcast wherein he said he was really fondly telling his viewers kung gaano niya kamahal ang daughter niya, and how this little boy, his youngest, is entirely different from the woman that her daughter is, and he's enjoying the boy baby that he has right now. It just hurts me. I'm also a dad, and it hurts me na just because of his policies, his views, his support of Donald Trump, and just because of this, his life was taken away from him. And alam natin kung saan to nanggagaling eh. The corruption in the DPWH, yung BGC boys, when you take a look at it, it all stems out from that greed of money, and that money has pumasok na sa utak nila, that even during this timeline early this year, they could not stop themselves from getting more money just to be able to play casino. That's what you call addiction. And this Charlie Kirk's murder, the casino addiction of these men who lusted after money, all of these are physical manifestations of evil. And I was chatting with Pastor Dave. Sinasabi ko sa kanya na this physical evil will not prevail if we Christians fight this as a spiritual battle. Lahat ng ito nagsisimula sa spiritual battle that will only manifest in physical evil, murder, the lust for money, pagnanakaw, pagsisinungaling. I'm at my point right now wherein I can see na men should really stand up. Men of Christ should really stand up now, more than ever. I don't know how. Iniisip ko baka do I need to really to meet up with my mentors more often, be surrounded by Christian men more often, just to be reminded that this is indeed a spiritual battle that Jesus has already won for us. And all we need to do is to fight that battle with confidence na nanalo na tayo. So that whatever consequences of the spiritual evil na nagmamanifest in the physical with these murders, with these assassinations, with our greed for money, we can fight them back. When we start winning a spiritual battle, it will manifest in the physical. I just hope that I can help. Charlie Kirk is only 32, 33 years old, and he has done a lot of things to spread the love of Jesus. And I'm thinking I'm already 41, and ano bang nagawa ko? It's time to step up for myself and for all of the other men out there.